Hey, Kami. What's up? You look a bit thoughtful today. Just thinking about something, Alex. Do you believe in luck? Luck? That's a deep question to start the day. Sometimes I do. Why only sometimes? Well, sometimes good things happen that I can't explain. I call that luck. Like finding a $20 bill on the street? Exactly. Or catching the bus just as you arrive at the stop. I see your point. That feels pretty lucky. But other times, I think we make our own luck. How so? What do you mean by that? Through hard work and preparation, opportunity meets preparedness, right? The classic quote. I can agree with that. If you study hard for a test, is it luck when you get an A? No, that's definitely earned through effort. Right. So that's what I mean. But what about things totally out of our control? Like winning the lottery? Yeah, or being in the right place at the right time for a job opportunity. I guess that's where the definition gets blurry for me. For me too. It's a fascinating concept. I once found a four-leaf clover. I felt so lucky that day. Did anything lucky actually happen? Not really. But the feeling was nice. Maybe the feeling is the lucky part, the optimism it brings. That's a nice way to look at it. Do you consider yourself a lucky person? I think I'm fortunate, which might be a better word. Fortunate how? I have a great family, good friends like you, and good health. Those are definitely things to be grateful for. They aren't really about random chance, are they? No, they are blessings. Maybe luck is more about small, unexpected joys. Like getting the last slice of pizza? Yes. That's a huge stroke of luck in my book. I totally agree. It's a simple pleasure. So, are you superstitious at all? Not really. I don't avoid black cats or walk under ladders. Me neither. I think that's taking it a bit too far. It's all about mindset, I believe. A positive mindset can attract positive outcomes. It certainly makes you notice them more. If you're always looking for bad luck, you'll probably find it. That's so true. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. I read about a study once. Oh yeah? Tell me more. They gave people a newspaper and asked them to count the photos. Okay, sounds simple enough. But on page 2, there was a huge headline that said, "Stop counting. There are 43 photos." And what happened? The unlucky people missed it. They were too focused on the task. But the lucky people saw it? Yes, because they were more relaxed and open to unexpected possibilities. Wow, that's an incredible experiment. It really shows how our attitude shapes our experience. So, being lucky is about being observant and open-minded. That's my takeaway from it, at least. It makes so much sense. We create our own opportunities by paying attention. Exactly. It's not just about waiting for good things to fall into our laps. You've really given me a new perspective on this. I'm glad. It's something I think about a lot. So, we should stop looking for four-leaf clovers? Maybe not. They're still fun to find, but we shouldn't rely on them for our happiness. Precisely. True luck comes from within and from our actions. I feel much more empowered now. Less at the mercy of chance. That's the spirit, Alex. So, to make our own luck, we should just stay positive and work hard, and be open to whatever comes our way. I can do that. Thanks for the chat, Kami. Anytime, Alex. It was a lucky coincidence running into you. See what you did there? Very clever. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed our conversation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English with Kami for more. See you next time.